twin. But anyway, like I was saying, hey, twin, where have you been?
Oh, I'm out here enjoying the sun, washing some cars and some trucks. I'm enjoying myself. What about you? How's everything going in the office?
Well, that's sort of why I came out here to see you, twin. I kind of miss telling you my riddles and my jokes. I mean, the manager listens and laughs, but it's not the same as you, twin.
Oh, okay. Well, would it make you feel better if you told me a riddle or a joke right now before you go back in to your job?
Oh, yes, twin. That would make me feel so much better. Okay. Are you ready? Here's the joke. Why did the student eat his homework?
Wow. The student ate homework. Because he had cake on his hand the night before and wanted to taste it. Because it looked good. The writing looked good. Because the other kids in the room.
That was a good try, twin, but no. That's not why. You know why he did it? Why the student ate his homework? It was because the teacher told him it was a piece of cake.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. It was just such easy homework that the student really thought a piece of cake. That was a good one, twin. That really was. Now, I gotta get back to work, okay? And you have to go back in and go to work.
Oh, no, twin. That's okay. You don't have to go back to work. We finished this job already. Remember, we're gonna do at least 3 jobs a day until we get to our goal. And I've got the paycheck for this job. So, hey, twin, let's go to the next job, okay? The next adventure. Hey, twin.
Oh, okay. Well, let's finish cleaning up this car, and then I'll go sign out, and we could be on our way, okay? Okay, twin. Oh, yeah, they said if we ever want to come back for a job, they're here for us because they like the way we work. Because we're a team, twin. We're a team.